Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. And so time's gotten away from me and I was really busy and kind of forgot to do this drawing, but it's for Glue Gun Chronicles Facebook group, the monthly challenge, and I'm doing March's giveaway. I've had the stuff bought, I've showed video after video of all the goodies I bought for a whole year. And so, okay, let's do it. So March's challenge was create something with crayons, and boy did they do it. It was so pretty. We've learned a lot. Crayons is other than coloring, it could be tricky or fun. So okay, so March crayons giveaway. Here is your name, and look for your name, and then we will do the drawing because I finally have Johnny here. So, and yeah, so it wasn't my fault. Let's blame it all on Johnny. He's been working so much and it was hard to get him in here at the same time. He's working right now and I said, nope, let's stop and take a couple of minutes and do it. So, okay, ready, John, to cut this up? Okay, here we go. And for February, no, that was March, so this is April. For April, even though it's almost over, you have time to do a pop-up card. It can be an easel with it popping up on an easel. This is the pop-up card I made for the challenge. It's just one white sheet of paper, and then I put, see how they fold when you want to mail them? See how flat? But this is one sheet of paper. This has got three-dimensional. This is three-dimensional. Some of this is chipboard. But this is one sheet of paper, and then I covered it with another sheet. If I didn't want to cut the paper in half and take away from the little dresses, because this is all about dresses. But you could cut this sheet right here in half to show off more of the bottom. And you could even use a scallop punch or something right here, and that would look really pretty. Some of these are actual stickers on here. Some of these are stickers that goes with the collection. See the sizes of the papers? Most of them are stickers. And what you do is you just take the sticker, put it where you want, but put baby powder on the back of the sticky part, and it just becomes just a regular ephemera die cut out. So there's that, and this is how it lays flat to mail. So I think that's pretty neat. So there's my card. So yeah, you almost done, John? Okay, let's see. I could show off what did I get from out of in my mail. I just got this die cut from my mail. Isn't that the cutest little set? I can't wait to make cards with that. That's what I bought it for. But look, it's got a little bird, all that stuff. And you see the little stuff is attached, you just break it apart. But isn't that the cutest little thing? I just got those. And I have one more thing sitting here. I love when I get these little dollar bags. And these, oh yeah, if you didn't know my secret, my daughter is having a little boy in 6 weeks. And look at that little charm. I don't know if you can see it. They make them in pink too. And I should have got pink because I'm working on pink stuff too. So I'm like, I had tunnel vision and didn't buy one of each color. So there's that. What else do I have to show you that's laying around here? I think I already showed you this. This was 56 cents and I even got it on sale. So I think I showed you that in the last video, but that's cute. Oh, he's ready. So, okay. March was for crayons. We're doing the drawing for the crayons. And April, you have time to make a pop-up card. The card can be anything. I said do a pop-up card, do something that pops up. Well, if you put a rose on a card, it pops. So really, it's kind of cheating. You can do kind of anything. A rose, once you layer several papers, it's three-dimensional. So that's what we're looking for, something three-dimensional. So, okay, here's the card for April. So get out there and do an April real quick. Okay, let's do March's thingamajigger. Sorry. All right. And this came from Daiso. Thank you everyone for participating. I really appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Autumn, Quarter, Mary. Mary is the mommy, my sister, and Autumn finally won. Oh my God. She calls me, did I win? Did I win? It's been a year, honey, and you finally won. Oh, how sweet. I'm so happy for you. Oh, that is so sweet. She's going to be surprised. I get to see her in a couple of weeks. But I'm going to mail it. I want to mail it so that when she sees it, she doesn't even know it's coming, because I don't think she watches the videos. I think she's going to be so happy. But okay, guys. Thank you for participating. Go check out the channel and join and be a part of, you know, everyone just post in their pictures and stuff and crafts that they do. And if there's a sale coming, post, you know, give us heads up on information we need to know about. And so, yeah, everyone, please, just join the group. And we're very loving and caring, very laid back, loving group. And push the bell right here so that you know when I'm up to it. All right. Bye, guys.